Travel gently, connect deeply, and find serenity in every journey with Exist for Travel. Some places that you go and you visit really quiet you. They really just say, slow it down and take it all in. And you're not even asking for it, but this is what you get. Well, for us, normally going to visit churches and temples and mosque, they do kind of quiet you. But some places more than others. And the moment that we stepped into the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi, we felt, wow, this is different. Everything felt softer. Because the mosque is white, you do feel this brightness immediately, even when you see it. But when you go in and you see the beautiful marble and the floral design throughout, the carpet, even the greenness in it, and you really felt like it was part of nature. There was just a stillness in the air, and it just seemed like everyone was being so reverent, and just really taking it in. It wasn't loud, it wasn't overwhelming. Yes, it did have some crowd and some people there, but even with that, it was just calm. Everything was done intentionally, but the symmetry, the flowers carved into the stone, and the way the sunlight came through and moved through the columns, absolutely gorgeous, peaceful. And then when we came across the tolerance path, it wasn't dramatic and theatrical. It was simple, simple messages of togetherness, um, and a human message, regardless of your religion. We travel for this feeling of togetherness and being integrated and immersed in the culture. And that's what we felt. It was a reminder that this space was not only just built as a mosque, you could tell, but it was a place that was built to invite people around the world, different backgrounds, beliefs, and cultures. It felt together. Immediately, the shared humanity in it. So, if you really like travel that's going to slow you down, then this is definitely a channel that you want to join the community and you want to subscribe. And I invite you to do that. Welcome. And I hope that you have safe travels, intentional travels, and that you are grateful in those moments that you step into places and you feel, awe. That's just that simple. That's what I felt, just the awe of the moment.